how to view app history in your Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So for this, you will have to go to your task manager. You can either search it from your start panel or simply right click on your taskbar and then go to task manager. After that, what you will have to do is you will have this option app history and all your apps that are used and the CPU time that it took will appear over here. Also, the network and notification storage will also appear over here like this. As you can see, you can scroll through it and you can also find startup apps, performance and many more from your task manager. But if you specifically just want to find the app history, here you have it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.